Hello Nick, it's Rob here at Fast Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Ducati Panigale S1199. The bike has only 3,500 kilometers on it. We're selling it for 15,700 plus HST and licensing. The bike is in absolutely perfect condition. Brembo brakes, all in suspension. The tires are great. Very powerful, super sport motorcycle. The condition again, it's perfect. The rear all in suspension. The bike been fully certified and is ready to go. Has a fender illuminator on it too. So if you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you, or just come by to take a look. The electronic adjustable suspension as well. Thank you.